Hello friends, today I wanna show you jacket that I've got last year, like a few months ago on Black Friday. This model is called, from the North Face, it's called this Lhotse Reverseble jacket in black. So I've got it on big sale and I have the code. So this jacket comes like, looks like it has that nice panels. It's double zipper, no, it's reversible zipper, 2 pockets, 1 zipper, doesn't have inside pocket because it's reversible, finished like such thing. Here it says North Face. Inside it has North Face here. It has something like string that make it you can cinch it like this on both sides. But this, I don't know what to do with this when you have a reversible jacket, when you wear it or cut it. So yeah, this is a Lhotse jacket. I don't think it's made from, I don't think that it has inside what's called feathers. It has other materials like polyester feeling, and I can show you. Let's try. So looks like this. Let's zip it. Is it crazy or not? Not too easy. So it looks like this. Not bad. And in coats I wear size X large. This one runs fine through to size, I would say. And now I would try on the other side how it looks. Other side looks like this. How you zip it? Not this way. Like so. And here you have pockets too, but these ones are thin pockets. Yeah, looks like coat from 80s or 90s. And then those strings are so long. Which side do you prefer? I think I prefer the one with panels. Yeah, I prefer this one. And even here you can cinch it and then hide it in the pocket. I like it too cinched. So I think it's nice. Cold for winter, spring, not summer. Winter and spring and fall. And it seems brave. Here I have clothes from Walmart. It was only $12. Let's try it on. This one also is not a down feeling, just some kind of Vaseline. So downsides doesn't. Here you don't have any cinching system. Air going inside. Pockets are fine. And one zipper, which is nice. The zipper is nice and smooth. Also doesn't have hood, just outside. That was for $12 last year. So yeah, it's more lightweight than the brand is called Time and True. If you want a dupe, it's similar to the Lhotse but don't have panels, like rectangular, but just striped panels. So yeah, that's my unboxing for today, because I had that coat in the bag and I forgot to open it, and it was Black Friday sale, so today I opened it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next ones. Bye.